I will introduce you ST40-240E street sweeper made in Tekton Makine in Turkey. That's how we use it. Show control box right now. This is the contact key and we turn right, and this is the vacuum. We push up and down, and then this is forward and reverse button. We push forward, moves front, and we push reverse, it moves backwards. So that's, and then when we need water, we push the water down and it unlocks the garbage can. That demonstrate the garbage can. We move up like this on the right hand, and we move the left hand, and then we move the holders back, and completely remove the system, and then after we remove the cover up in place. Then we pull these two rollers in, and then pull the garbage can out. That's it. Alright, now this is the water tank we use, and after the filling water tank we use them. When it's on, when it's finished, you turn the cover, and then you put water in it and you put back. That's it. That's the water tank. Thank you.